What's up, guys? I'm out here today on the river. We're gonna see if we can catch anything for a catch and cook. I'm hoping for a big catfish. Whatever bites is fine with me though. Let's go get him, baby. Oh, wait. It's a little windy right now, but not crazy windy. So we got a Carolina rig with just a little piece of shrimp with a circle, size 1 circle hook. We're gonna go ahead and toss that out real quick. We got that one set, and then we got a bobber on the other one. We're gonna throw it out, see what happens. Using raw shrimp today, so just so you know, the bait, guys, just raw shrimp. If we catch a bluegill, we might cut it up, but right now we're just using raw shrimp, hoping for the best, baby. Let's go. All right, guys, we got this that bobber set up, cut off, and we got another bottom rig, and we just left the head on. See what happens. Yeah, I like catching them. They're fun.
Oh, especially when they get bigger.
Yeah, for sure. With the circle hook.
Catch the far one down there at St. John's River.
Some big ones, right? Oh, monster.
You talking about a rust.
Awesome. There we go, guys. Nice bowfin, dude. Awesome. On that circle hook right at the corner, because if that line would have went a little bit more in, there would have been no coming back from that. Cut bluegill, bro. That's the way to go on the river all the time. Let's get some shots of this and we'll let them go. All right, guys. About to let this beautiful bowfin go. Beautiful fish. I love it. There we go. And the circle hook's ready to go again, baby. Circle hook's ready to go again. But we don't have no more bluegill. Now we gotta go bluegill fishing again. I got something good. I don't know if that's a turtle. Hopefully it's not. It feels kind of like a turtle. So if it's a fish, it will be a turtle. It might not be a turtle. Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, it's turtle. Turtle's going back on his own. I don't know if you guys see him, but he's out. Make sure you guys, if you're not subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, man. We got that bowfin already. We got a turtle. Let's see what else we can get on. I think the storm is just passing by, which is great. I can stay out here until they close and see if we can get one to take home to eat, but we don't know yet. Let me keep watching these rods. Oh, wait. Got another one. What is that? What is that? On the cut bait. What is that? Damn. What's that other boat doing? It was a guard. We lost it. It was a small guard. Lost a small guard, guys, on the cut bait. Yeah, we're in the rain now, boy. I stuck it out now, guys. Very happy. This guy was hooked kind of good. Oh man. Guys, look at that beautiful long-nosed gar in the rain. Florida's a beautiful place, baby. And the rain's about to stop. Thank God I waited it out. That is a beautiful Florida gar. That's not a Florida gar, I mean, that's a long-nosed gar I'm talking about. That's a long-nosed. That is probably my biggest long nose and my new long nose PB. So that's gotta watch out the rod, but in the rain, bro, that's why I like fishing in the rain. That's why I would stick it out when everybody leaves, that water cools down. These fish come out, man. That is a beautiful one, bro. All right, guys. New PB long nose. About to release this guy. Gotta love that, baby. All right, guys, that wraps it up. I appreciate you guys rocking with me, man, through the rain. Just spending time with me here on the river, man. Make sure if you're not subscribed, you do so. Till the next episode, guys, stay safe.